Here are 10 foods with the highest protein content per 100 grams. 1. Chicken breast cooked contains 31 grams of protein. 2. Tuna canned in water contains 29 grams of protein. 3. Turkey breast contains 29 grams of protein. 4. Lean beef cooked contains 26 grams of protein. 5. Egg whites contains 11 grams of protein. 6. Salmon cooked contains 25 grams of protein. 7. Pork loin cooked contains 27 grams of protein. 8. Soybeans cooked contains 16 grams of protein. 9. Lentils cooked contains 9 grams of protein. 10. Parmesan cheese contains 35 grams of protein. These values can vary slightly depending on preparation and specific cuts of meat or types of fish.